Welcome back. This is not a step, but I'm going to tell you what to do if your file is not saving. Sometimes you might get an error message in SketchUp that says they're having an issue reaching OneDrive. Now, this happens all the time in my class. I'm not sure if it's the Microsoft authentication, if there's somehow the session restarted. I don't exactly know what's happening, but I'm going to show you what to do to make sure we don't lose our work when you get this message. First thing we're going to do is download a copy of our work as a SketchUp, which is the 3 lines, download SKP. That is, of course, SketchUp, if you add some vowels and some other letters in there. And it's going to then take the current working model and save it as a SketchUp file. When I go back to the instructions for this project, I'm going to close this. I can then click SketchUp one more time. And it might say that I have a model that I haven't saved, but I'm going to pretend it doesn't do that. So we're going to click sign in with Microsoft, and with your account, we're going to sign in. And once we've signed in, we're going to make a new document. You can see right here, there's like this error. It's actually uploading. That's very nice of it. So it actually fixed it on its own, but that doesn't always happen. And so that file we just downloaded, what I can actually do is open from device right here at the top. Open from device in my downloads. I had saved the file. This is that SKP file we downloaded before we closed the browser before. And I can click open, and here it is. And now it says I'm viewing a temporary file, and I can save it by going into OneDrive and giving it a new name. I'm going to call this like previously saved version, something like that. And now I'll know that this was that backup that I restored. Now, I hope it works for you. If it doesn't, talk to your teacher. They might have another workaround. Thanks for watching.